Hi guys, welcome back to How to Maximize. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add link to TikTok bio, right? So first of all, we will just go into the TikTok mobile application here. And after that, you can see here, if I click on the setup profile, here I'm not able to see the option of add my link, right? But basically, I will show you how you can do it. So you have to click on the three lines which is on top right side corner. And after that, you have to click on the setting and privacy, then click on the account. And basically, if your account is personal account, you have to activate your account to a business account, right? So this is let me just go back to my personal account and I will show you how you can convert your account to a business account. So here in the account section, you will get the option switch to business account. So just click on the switch to business account, and after that it will just click on the next, and here you have to select whatever niche you are making the content, right? So for example, I'm just making in the education, right? So I will just click on the next depending upon your choices, and here if you want to skip it you can do it, right? And here click on the setup profile, and basically here you will get the option to add a link, right? Basically I'm not getting option due to my country location, and if in your country it is definitely available, so just try out by yourself, right? So this is pretty easy guys. I hope you found this video really useful, and if you did, leave a comment down below. Make sure to like this video, subscribe channel, and see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching.